TikTok made me do it. I'm putting Elmer's glue in my window to make it like not see-through. Honestly, it might be too.
So you know what's really cool about that is what you can do is once you've done that glue on the window, you can paint over it. You can use markers and dry outlines and then paint over it, or do anything that you can do to get a stained glass effect. So that's what's really neat about that is you don't just have to have that glue finish to it. And I think that's, something I really hadn't thought about. But then after I saw that video for the first time, it was like, you know what? You can do a pretty cool window. And the fact that glue is so cheap, you can get a huge tub of it. If you have leftovers, you can eat it. But, no, please don't. But, yeah, do that to your window. I'd tape over your window just so you don't have to worry about getting it on the edge. I mean, nice thing is you can scrape it off with a razor. But once you've got that painted onto your glass, outline it once it's dried, and then use anything. You could probably use crayons, markers, color pencils will probably scratch it off. If you're feeling like it's okay, use some spray paint. I'm sure you could even add some kind of tint or dye into the glue to get those colors, but that's more of a hassle than just taking care of it afterwards. But give me some ideas. Tell me what you do with that.